Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Myself Chitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota welcome you all. So kids, in the previous classes we have already learnt about sound words A, E, I, O and U. So today we will going to do its revision of dictation words related to sounds A, E, I, O and U. So everyone, take out your English practice notebook, open it, mention the date and classwork here. So kids, now I will going to speak the word and you have to write, okay? So everyone, take out your pencil and start writing with me. Okay, so listen to me very carefully. Our first word is lap. First word is lap. So everyone, let's write. Spelling of lap is L-A-P. L-A-P, lap. Okay. Now, our second word is jar. Second word is jar. So, what is the spelling of it? J-A-R, jar. So, look here and write J-A-R, jar. Okay, come to next one. Our next word is man. Next word is man. So, what is the spelling? M-A-N, man. So, let's write M-A-N, man. Okay, now come to next one. Next one is cap. So, what is the spelling of cap? It's C-A-P, cap. Okay, so let's write here cap. C-A-P, like this. Okay, now our next word is leg. Next word is leg. So, what is the spelling? It's L-E-G, leg. Okay, so let's write here. Write very beautifully. L-E-G, leg. Okay, next is, yes, get. So, what is the spelling? G-E-T, get. Okay, so write here G-E-T. Okay, this is get. Now come to next one. Our next word is hen. So what is the spelling? It's H-E-N, hen. So let's write here H-E-N, hen. Okay, now next word is jet. Spelling of jet is J-E-T, jet. Okay, so let's write. Yes, write very beautifully. Touch the lines. J-E-T, jet. Okay, now next word is big. So what is the spelling? B-I-G, big. Okay, so write here B-I-G. Okay, big. Now listen very carefully everyone. Next one is dip. Okay, so what is the spelling of dip? It's D-I-P, dip. Okay, so write here dip. D-I-P, dip. Okay, now next one is hit. So what is the spelling of it? It's H-I-T, hit. Okay, so write here spelling of hit. H-I-T, like this. Okay, come to next one. Next is lid. So what is the spelling of lid? It's L-I-D, lid. Okay, so write here L-I-D, lid. Okay, now next word is lot. So what is the spelling of lot? It's L-O-T, lot. Okay, so write here L-O-T. Okay, now kids, again you have to write neatly and listen very carefully. Okay, so next word is pop. Okay, its spelling is P-O-P, pop. So write here P-O-P, like this. Okay, now come to next one. Next is rod. Next is rod. So what is the spelling? Yes, R-O-D, rod. So write here everyone, R-O-D, rod. Okay, come to next one. Next is boy. So what is the spelling? It's B-O-Y, boy. So write here very neatly, B-O-Y. Touch the lines, B-O-Y, boy. Now come to next one. Our next word is gun. So what is the spelling of it? It's G-U-N, gun. Okay, so write here everyone, G-U-N, gun. Okay, now come to next one. Our 18th word is hug. So what is the spelling of hug? It's H-U-G, hug. Okay, so let's write H-U-G, like this. Okay, next is rub. Next is rub. So what is the spelling of it? It's R-U-B, rub. Okay, so write here R-U-B, rub. Now come to last word. Our last word is but. Okay, so what is the spelling of but? It's B-U-T, but. Okay, so write here B-U-T. Okay, now let's read once again. So look here, lap, jar, man, cap, leg, get, hen, jet, big, dip, hit, lid, lot, pop, rod, boy, gun, hug, rub, and last is but. So kids, like this you have to do this work in your English practice notebook, okay, in a very beautiful handwriting. So everyone, take care. Bye-bye.